Next, I'm going to share how and why headlights wear out. So headlight lenses are actually two parts, okay? So you have the original lens itself, but then you also have a protectant over the lens. So it's not just one part. So you have the lens itself plus the protectant on the outside. So it's essentially a clear coat that's here. So what's happening here is you can see this line. You see this line here? So this is the original protectant actually wearing off. You see it's completely gone here on top and it's working itself down. Now, headlights, all headlights will do this if they're made from a plastic or a polycarbonate or acrylic, unfortunately, because they're actually porous. So the only way to properly restore it is to remove all that protectant and then put a brand new layer on. Now, I originally restored headlights just by buffing and polishing, and I would sand off the wear and then I would buff and polish it, but it would never last. Later, I found out that it's two parts, and so unless that protectant gets replaced, it's not gonna last. Now here's a lens I did half of. So in this case, the original protectant was actually completely gone. And so there's none of the original protectant even left on this portion of the headlight. You see how there's no line and it's all conformed. So this is your base plastic. So this is the side I restored, in which I replaced the original protectant. So it now has a protectant. I took off all the wear and I put a brand new protectant on, so it'll last years and years. In fact, like I said, I do a lifetime warranty on all headlight restorations. So.